Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the significance of distributed tracing in Dynatrace. We will explain why it's so important and how it helps you manage your applications. Let's get started. Distributed tracing is a method used to track the journey of a request as it travels through various services and components in a distributed system. In modern IT environments, applications are often made of many interconnected microservices, making it challenging to pinpoint the exact source of performance issues or errors. This is where distributed tracing comes into play. In Dynatrace, distributed tracing provides a detailed end-to-end view of how a single transaction flows through your entire system. It captures each step of transactions, showing how long each service takes to process the request. This level of visibility is crucial for several reasons. First, distributed tracing helps you identify performance bottlenecks. By seeing the exact path a transaction takes, you can quickly spot which services or components are slowing down the overall process. This is especially important in microservices architectures, where a delay in one service can impact the performance of entire applications. Second is distributed tracing aids in root cause analysis. When an issue arises, such as slow response time or an error, you need to determine the cause quickly. With distributed tracing, you can follow the transaction's path and see where it deviated from expected behavior. This makes it easier to identify and fix the underlying problem. Third, distributed tracing enhances collaboration between development and operations teams. By providing clear view of how different services interact, it helps both teams understand the system's behavior and work together to resolve issues. This collaborative approach leads to faster problem resolutions and more efficient operations. Additionally, distributed tracing supports proactive monitoring. By continuously collecting and analyzing trace data, Dynatrace can detect anomalies and potential issues before they impact users. This proactive approach allows you to address problems early, improving the overall reliability and performance of your applications. Another significant benefit in the ability to optimize resource usage. Distributed tracing shows you how each service is performing, allowing you to identify underutilized or overutilized resources. This information helps you make informed decisions about scaling and optimizing your infrastructure. In summary, distributed tracing in Dynatrace provides critical insights into performance and behavior of your applications. It helps you identify bottlenecks, performance, root cause analysis, enhance team collaborations, monitor proactively, and optimize resources. By leveraging distributed tracing, you can ensure your applications run smoothly and efficiently. And that's the significance of distributed tracing in Dynatrace. If you find this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. See you in the next time.